Hello, welcome. Join me. Let's do this one. A variable x varies directly as the cube of y and inversely as z if k is a constant of variation or proportionality. Which of these options or equations are correct? Now let's see by breaking the question down. X is what? Varying directly as the cube of y. So as the cube of y. Then x varies inversely. So x varying inversely as what? Z. Inversely as what? Z. So it's the x that is doing the variation. So we can combine the two together as x varying as this multiplying this will be to the power 3 divided by z. This is the relation. Transforming the relation to an equation, we need to introduce a constant of variation, meaning x equals to k multiplying y to the power 3 divided by what? Z. So looking through the options, this is not, y is not. Okay, so this is going to be your final representation. K is unknown, so we leave it in the calculation that way. I guess this is clear for you. Like the video, share, comment, and subscribe.